Dang. This thing is cherry, bud. Old 351 Cleveland. Been messing around on this thing a little bit, freeing the carburetor up. It's got no fuel, so it might need a fuel pump. That'll be fun getting to. Probably not. 4 tires I'll need. It needs brakes, tires, fuel. Other than that, not too bad. It cranks good. Not too bad. I'll have a long format video up here shortly. You can see the rest of the progress on this on the channel if you keep an eye out for it. Just like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can watch it. Wife's over here washing up the Hillbilly Hotel. We're going to use that thing up to camp in. Keep an eye out for that video.